Hi there, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here, and today I'm going to share with you some information on putting together these Lots to Love boxes. I've been using them a lot lately. It's a favorite new box of mine, and I've had questions on how to put it together. If you haven't seen it, it's right here on page 19 in the new Occasions catalog. So first you're going to want to cut your paper, and it's going to look like this when you finished cutting. You'll be able to get 3 boxes out of 2 pieces of paper. The measurements for this are over on my blog. Now here's a close-up of the dies. You're going to cut 2 of this piece, and they look like this when they're cut. And then this funny looking little die simply fits right in here. You put it right at the top. I hold it down with a piece of washi and cut the little notch. Now when I put the boxes together, I choose not to have it open at both ends, but should you want that, you can notch the other end as well. So let's put this baby together. There are lots of score lines already here for you, and we're simply going to fold and burnish and fold and burnish. Okay, now once all of this basic folding and burnishing is done, we're going to add my preferred adhesive, which is the multi-purpose liquid glue. You could use tear and tape for this, but I have found the multi-purpose liquid glue holds just fine. So I fold in these 2 side tabs and put on a little adhesive, and then reach up in here and make sure that they are adhered and are square. You don't want them sticking out in some funny way. Okay, give them a second. And then we're going to add, oh, didn't hold long enough. Okay, then we're going to add adhesive on this flap. It's the opposite of the one with the notch. If you put notches in both ends, you will not put adhesive on that flap. You'll just do the sides. And then this is easy peasy. This just fits right over top. Like this. You want to square up the ends. And then I'm going to reach in with my bone folder, since my fingers aren't long enough, and just make sure that everything is touching. First get the flap at the bottom, and then I'm going to turn this over on the side and get this side down, and then turn it over here and give it a second to dry, and you have a box. Hop on over to my blog, theartfulinker.com, and I'll have a completed project using this Lots of Love box. And I would obviously appreciate your purchase of the Lots of Love box from my store. Thanks so much. This is Sara Levin, theartfulinker.com.